Another day, another English lesson.
Forming adverbs from adjectives with the suffix ly.
Hello. Today we're going to learn how to turn adjectives into adverbs using the suffix ly. Adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, and one of the most common ways to form them in English is by adding ly to an adjective. The basic rule: for most adjectives, simply add the suffix ly. Examples: quick becomes quickly, slow becomes slowly, careful becomes carefully. Spelling changes to watch for. Consonant plus y, change the y to I, then add ly. Examples: happy, happily, easy, easily. For adjectives ending in le, drop the e and add y. Examples: gentle, gently, simple, simply. For adjectives ending in ic, add ally instead of just ly. Examples: basic, basically, tragic, tragically. One common exception: public, publicly. For adjectives ending in silent e, usually keep the e and just add ly. Example: extreme, extremely. But a few common words drop the e: true, truly, do, duly. Irregular adverbs. Not every adverb follows the ly rule. The adjective good becomes the adverb well, not goodly. And some words, like fast, hard, and late, look the same as adjectives and adverbs.
Now, you try. Watch and complete the sentences with the adverb form of the adjective in parentheses. One. She sang the song beautifully. 2. He answered the question quickly. 3. The children played happily in the garden. 4. She explained the rules simply. 5. The manager spoke gently to the new employees. 6. My grandfather still drives carefully at 80 years old. 7. The comedian performed confidently despite his nerves. 8. She said she truly meant to call, but she forgot. 9. He passed the exam easily, without much effort. 10. The team celebrated wildly after their unexpected win. 11. He did well on the test, even though he didn't study much. "12. The company explained basically why the flight was delayed." I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.